Hello everyone, welcome back to another day in the 100 days graphic design challenge. Okay, so today we are going to be designing another mock-up. Then I've already extracted this file. Okay, so I downloaded it and then extracted it. It came as a zip file. I extracted it. Now you can watch our previous videos to see how to extract a zip file. Okay, so but for today I'm just going to use this one. Says mockup 5. Okay, this is it here. Now I'm just going to double click on it to open it up in my Photoshop. Okay, so I'll just delete this layer. Then we have this. I'll just double click on this. Okay, now this is what we have. It is where you can actually do your design here, and then maybe after you are done designing you can Ctrl S to save. But this video is just on mockup, so I'm just going to head over to my files, and then I'm going to bring in my design that I have done. Okay, so this is it here. I'm just going to place this here. Okay, I'll just hit enter, and now you can see that I saved this as a png file. Okay, that's why it's transparent. I mean, it even came as a png. Okay, so you just have to do this, design some things on it, then you can now click Ctrl S. Okay, so this is it. When I head over to my, if you don't like the way it's looking, you can change the colors, but I'm just going to change this blue. I'll just change it to red. Okay, so I'm just going to double click on this one as well. Okay, maybe if you want the cup handle to be black, you can change it to black, but I'm just going to give it a red as well. Then for this last one, I'm just going to change it to red, and I just want the color to be red because yes, that's a sign of love, red. Okay, now you can actually change it to any color that you want. As you can see, you can actually change it to any color that you want. Okay, so this is how we customize a mockup. Okay, you download it, it comes as a PSD, it comes as a zip file. You extract, you're going to see the PSD file, and then you can now open the Photoshop file, and then you can now place your design that you have done, maybe for a client, someone who is doing wedding or birthday party and wants to do souvenir for cups or something, that the person will just see the finished end. Okay, so with that we have come to the end of this particular design. It's a very short tutorial. Okay, so I'm just going to see you in our next video. Make sure you are practicing all these things that you're learning. You can check out more mockups. We have the cap mockup, we have the flag, we have the banners, we have the logo mockup, the business card mockup, so many of them. Make sure you check them out, and I'm just going to see you in our next video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.